Hi, I'm Amy Brossette with Keller Williams in Austin, Texas, and today I'm going to take you on a driving tour of a neighborhood called River Place, which is located in West Travis County and conveniently situated near Lake Austin and Lake Travis. Come on, let's go. We're entering the master plan community called River Place. River Place was started in the early 1990s, and at the front of the neighborhood there are some commercial areas with a bank, doctor's offices, a couple of restaurants, dry cleaners. And just a couple of weeks ago, it snowed here. Nearby, just to the left, if you drive down this little street, I think you can even see the flashing school zone. There is River Place Elementary, and this is close enough for many of the children in River Place to actually walk. The left, there are some small condo zoned homes. They're not attached walls though. This section of River Place is called the Ranch at River Place. These properties are zoned as condos. Some of them do have small backyards, large enough for a small dog, or a patio or a grill. They are, even though they are zoned as condos, you can see that they look and feel like single-family homes. This section of River Place has homes on smaller lots where the front and sides are smaller and the backyards are nice size and they back to the preserve. This section also has a separate HOA, an additional HOA, and they include front lawn care maintenance. This street is called Milky Way, and it is one of the streets located towards the front of the neighborhood, and the homes here are situated on acre-plus lots. These homes range in size from about 4,400 square feet to over 6,000 square feet. They were all built, most of the houses here were built around 2005 up to about 2010. These homes are all custom homes, and the majority of them have swimming pools in the back. Some of the homes, especially along this side on the right, have views of the canyon. The homes on this street, this is called Merrywing. You have Merrywing and Merrywing Cove, and they're all custom homes, and they range in size from about 4,000 square feet to about 6,500 square feet. Many of these homes along this portion of the street back to the nature preserve, which means you don't have any back door neighbors, and you have very pretty views. Another section of Merrywing, once you cross River Place Boulevard, has homes that were built in the early 90s. Some of these homes also back to the nature preserve, and sizes of these houses range from about 3,000 square feet up to about just under 4,000 square feet. A lot of these homes were many of the first homes to be built in River Place. River Place is known for its parks and trails. This is one of the main parks in River Place called Suntree Park. There are soccer fields, a well-used basketball court, space for baseball games. There's also playground equipment, as well as a covered pavilion that can be reserved by residents. You'll see these cars that are parked along the road, and these are people that have parked here so that they can go to one of the River Place trails. People come from all over to go to the nature trails in River Place. This is one of the other trailheads for the River Place trails, and these nature trails really are a destination. People from all over the city come here just to hike on the River Place nature trails. Now let's go look at River Place Country Club. You can see one of the greens right there. Now you'll see the River Place Country Club tennis courts. And this street is called Treasure Island. And Treasure Island truly is a treasure. One side of the street has homes that are on about a quarter of an acre. And then the other side of the street, that's the treasure. Those homes all back to where they are up high, perched high, and then you can see the golf course in the background and the hill country.